Okay, just a quick tutorial on how to make hard-boiled eggs. I know that might seem really simple, but to a lot of people, doing it right is an art, especially to be able to get the skin off really easily. So I put the eggs in first before I boil the water. The reason I put the eggs in first and then add the water is because if you boil the water first and then drop the eggs in as it's boiling, they will hit the bottom and crack. And then they will start to boil out of the eggs and it's a mess. All right, eggs are in the water, ready to go. I'm gonna set it to high and I'm just gonna keep an eye on this until the water starts to boil. Once the water starts to boil, I'm gonna turn it down to about 6 or 7, keep the boil going, and I'm gonna go for 20 minutes. Okay, while that's getting warmed up, I'm gonna do the next step, which is I'm gonna prep the ice bucket for when they come out. I wanna shock the eggs in really cold water. And I really think this is the key, is to have this super cold water ready to go. Drop them right in right after they cooked. I really think that puts that shell and the inner layer, sort of shocks it off the egg. I don't know if that's true, but it works. We've got the boil going now. I'm just gonna turn this down to about 7 to keep that going. And we're gonna go with 20 minutes on the timer and start. We're about 17 minutes in on the boil, and you can see there are some cracks in the eggs, and that's kind of normal, but it's not that the egg is blasted through the inner coating and is starting to float around in the water. Okay, we're at time. I'm gonna bring these babies over to my cold water. And like I said, there are some cracks on these, but the inner membrane is still solid, so when it cools, that crack will get a little thinner, and that inner membrane will still protect the egg in the fridge. Get them right in there. So I always keep the eggs in the ice bath for about 15 minutes. That might seem like overkill, but it stops the cooking, it makes them easier to peel, and it also makes sure that you don't get that little green ring around the yellow yolk in the middle. All right, got all the eggs out. I'll just shout out to my egg topper and my little egg crate. Every morning before work, I just do 2 of these eggs with the egg topper, so I don't have to take the eggshells off at work. Bring them in this, bring them in a little plastic bag. Do everyone in your life a favor though, honestly. Just do this for everyone. HB, hard boiled. I've got another set of eggs in the fridge right now that are not hard boiled, and just do that so everyone knows. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have interest in watching the egg topper review that I did, the video is right here. Thanks again.